Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a different subscription box. This is one that I have not done before, and this is Sephora Play, so stay tuned. So I got January Sephora Play. I'm just covering my address because you guys don't really want to know where I live, or maybe you do, but no. So this is $10 a month. I've seen a lot of people unbox this, but I have not had a chance to get it yet. So I thought I would try it out for 3 months and see if I like it and see if it's worth it. I have cut the bottom down here, so because I never have scissors on my desk. Why would I do that? So this is what it looks like in the inside. So there we go. So oh, I thought it came in like a bag, but I guess not. So this month it has, or it probably always has, like I said, I'm new to this, but it's got your horoscope on it right here, and it says your beauty scope. So, and it does have the products in the inside, and it does have a 50 beauty insider points for Sephora. So, and we'll go into the bag. So it's pretty cheap. But like I said, like even with Ipsy, I have, oh my gosh, I have a thing of bags and I don't even really use them. So this at least can be recycled. So it says for this month, it is your beauty future. The planets align to bring you this collection of fresh beauty so you can start the new year on the right path. So, okay, so let's pull out the first thing. It's Good Genes Lactic acid treatment, and that is that. Let's see if I can find it on here. A clarifying formula that improves the appearance of dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. Oh lordy, do I need that. This exfoliating and treatment is perfect for all signs and skin types. It eliminates dull skin, smooths uneven textures, visibly plumps fine lines, and minimizes the appearance of dark spots. So I'm curious, and I'll put it up. So, well, at least it's mostly full. It's like full to here, but that is it. So that's pretty cool. And next we got this Oya, I don't know how to say that. Shampoo and conditioner. A shampoo and conditioning duo that replenishes and nurtures for healthy looking hair. Key benefits: visibly repairs damage, protects color, uses smart technology complex. I don't know how I feel about getting a shampoo and conditioner, you know, in my sub box, but hopefully there's better stuff in the bag. Let's see, next I am pulling out something from Bite. So this is Bite Beauty. I love Bite Beauty. This is a high pigment lip crayon in a dusky mauve shade with a matte finish. This long wearing formula makes skin look supple and smooth with every swipe. Orange peel wax seals in moisture for a water resistant yet hydrating finish. So there's that. Let's swatch this. It is pretty though, actually. And that is that. So no, I'm happy to have that. Let's see what next I have here. Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. So a leave-in hair conditioner that smooths, softens, and enhances shine. Head into the new year with a strong body, mind, and hair. Give dry, damaged strands a boost of hydration with this lightweight formula that straightens and minimizes breakage. So that's not bad. I mean, Ipsy gives us stuff like that too. And next we got the Lineage, I don't know, but is a quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. And it says your future will look bright when you use this innovative sleeping mask that rehydrates stressed, parched skin. I love this. I used this for the whole week. My skin felt incredible, and I totally forgot to buy it because I threw it away. So remind myself not to do that this time. But that is what it looks like on the inside. But it is very deceiving when they do these little packages like this because it's hollowed out. So you don't get much, but it's like I said, it's a week's worth. It's amazing. So like I said, I'll try it for 3 months, see if I like this subscription or not. If I don't like it, I will get rid of it. If you guys have any subscriptions that you would like me to try and unbox on this channel, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to try some new boxes or whatever you guys are, interested in seeing. Don't forget I have that giveaway going on. All you have to do is like, comment, and be subscribed to this channel, and I'll leave it in the cards above. So I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical and a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.